Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this easy yet gorgeous makeup look using the products from my beginner's makeup kit. I will be explaining all the application techniques, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. This video is the second part in the beginner's makeup kit series. I have posted a video where I have talked about my beginner's makeup kit and explained why each product is good for beginners. You can check it out here and I will also leave the link to it in my description box. I get quite a few questions on how to select the makeup product and which one is better. There are a lot of products in the market across different brands and it's easy to get confused when you are starting out. This kit will help you in making the right choices. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. I'm using this Master Prime from Maybelline in the variant Blur and Smooth. So I'm taking about this much amount and then apply it like a moisturizer on my face. Till the time the primer is resting on my face, I will be doing my eye makeup and the first step has to be priming my eyelids, and for that I am using a concealer. I have applied a very thin layer of concealer on my lid and now it's time to set it with a loose finishing powder. The powder will make sure that your eyeshadows won't crease on your eyes. So for doing my eyeshadows, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. First, I'm going to use this shade as my transition shade. To apply the transition shade, I'm using this large blending brush. It is from PAC in the number 113. So I will be applying it slightly above my crease to warm up my lid. Today I'm going to tell you a very basic and simple eye makeup which you can wear on an everyday basis and it's quite easy to recreate. Then I'm going to take this shade and apply it at my crease with the help of a smaller blending brush. And whenever you are taking the color from the pan, always make sure you dust off the excess. Don't directly go on your lid. Now you guys can see that this shade is a little bit darker than the transition shade. So you have to blend it so that it looks like a nice gradient from light to dark. Deposit the color and blend. Deposit the color and then blend. Make sure that there are no harsh lines visible. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using this Fit Me Poreless foundation from Maybelline. And I'm going to dot it all over my face. And I'm blending it with a damp beauty sponge. Work in thin layers guys, and while blending the foundation, do the dabbing motions like so. Basically you are trying to push the product in. Stamp the blender on your face, don't rub or tug it. Now for concealing, I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I'm going to apply it in very thin layers under my eyes and around my lips. You can also use your concealer for spot correction, as in if you have any scars or marks on your face, then apply the concealer right over that spot and you're good to go. Now to set everything, I'm using this loose finishing powder from Maybelline. And I will be applying it only on the concealed areas because that's where I get the most oily. If you have oily skin or if your makeup doesn't stay on your face for longer periods, then you should powder your whole face. I'm pressing the powder on my face with the help of the damp beauty blender. Applying powder with this method makes sure that the base is set properly without looking dry. Now we are moving back to our eyes and the first step has to be the brows, and for that I'm using this PAC Eyebrow Definer. So I'm going to use the same brush which comes along with the packaging. I'm mixing these two colors. Tap off the excess and I draw the edges first. Basically you have to outline your brows first and then you can fill them in. And when you are filling in your brows, go with a very light hand because they are very easy to mess up. We are done with the brows and now moving on to the eyeliner. I'm using this pen liner from Nykaa. For doing your liner, first I draw a guideline. So basically I extend it from my outer corners towards my brows. Now this is our guideline for the whole liner. Now gradually draw shorter strokes and join it with your lash line. In the same manner, in shorter strokes, join it to the inner corner. If you guys are new to the liner, then I want to tell you guys that it will take time. You will have to practice, then only it will get better. Time to do the mascara, and for that I'm using this Colossal Mascara from Maybelline. Now just wiggle your lashes and apply the mascara. Take your time in doing this step, as fuller lashes can make a huge difference in the final look. For the lower lash line, we will be using the same shades which we have used on the lid and smoke them out. So first I'm going to take this darker shade and apply it very close to my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the transition shade or the lighter color and smoke out the lower lash line more. Basically, we are going to blend the edges. Then I'm going to take this eye pencil or kajal from Nykaa and put it in my waterline. For contouring, I'm going to use this duo from Nykaa. So I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheekbones, my jawline, and a little bit on my forehead. Take very little product on the brush and go very light-handed. And blend it upward from the cheekbones. And when it comes to jawline, blend it downwards. The blush which we are going to use today is the Fit Me blush from Maybelline. Just like the contour, take less product and go very light-handed. Apply it towards your temples from the cheeks and blend it with the contour. Otherwise, it will look like stripes of 3 different colors on your face. When it comes to the highlighter, you can go a little extra, and the highlighter which I'm going to use today is the Master Chrome from Maybelline. With the help of a fan brush, I am going to apply it right on my cheekbone, on my cupid's bow, chin, a little bit on my forehead. For my inner corners and my brow bone, I will be using a pencil brush like so. You can also use your fingers for applying the highlighter in your inner corners and brow bone. Coming to the last step, that is applying lipsticks. And the lipstick which I'm going to show you today is the Creamy Matte lipstick from Maybelline. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do your lipstick. I'm going to tell you how I like to do. I simply follow the natural contours of my lips. I don't personally like to underline or overline my lips. So that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave your makeup suggestions in the comments. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.